So this project is a very important project for the southern part of Fairfax County. What the project does is it widens Richmond Highway from Jeff Todd Way down to Telegraph Road from 4 to 6 lanes. But as part of that, we also included pedestrian improvements, bicycle improvements, and we reserve the center of the roadway for a future bus rapid transit system that will connect from the Huntington Metro Station all the way down to Fort Belvoir and ultimately down to Prince William County. So in addition to a transportation project, we wanted to make sure that we were taking into account all the historical and cultural resources that are very prominent here in the southern part of Fairfax County. The project itself provides access to Fort Belvoir and to the hospital associated with Fort Belvoir. The hospital was rebuilt as part of the base realignment and closure commission, and so it serves as a principal access to Fort Belvoir, but it also serves the average residents who are just trying to move up and down the corridor. It improves mobility not only for automobiles, but it also provides those bike and pedestrian connections that previously didn't exist. So this is part of a much larger effort to upgrade transportation to promote economic development here in the southern part of Fairfax County.